Man, look at that. That is a hell of a fucking squall line, man. Jazzy, what do you think? Yeah, look at that. I mean, that's just a straight fucking line. But shit. Because our cock-sucking fucking weatherman can't ever get anything fucking right. These dumb fuckers can't even look out a fucking window and figure it out. Idiots. Nice. Fucking stupid shit. What do you think, Jimwa?
I've had enough.
Huh?
I've had enough.
Fuck yeah, I've had enough. Every fucking day we gotta get the fuck away from fucking house in the country because of this shit. Fucking bullshit, man. Jazz, could you shut the fuck up, please? God.
Jazzy, it's okay, baby.
Jazz, like, I seen Twister. I seen motherfuckers flying in the air. Especially them cows. That shit. I got a blender doesn't rotate like that. If you say it looks like my cock dropping out of the sky, let me know. We're getting the fuck out.
Don't make me laugh.
Old tornado cock. I try to have humor in moments like this. Not that it's doing me any good. Hey, look at Jazz, I see you in the rearview mirror. What are you doing? I said maybe another 1 to 2 inches of fucking rain. It is. How the fuck are they gonna plan anything this year? I mean, you'd think it'd be passing by now. Shit, get moving, John. Did you want on camera?
Hmm.
You want on camera?
No.
Wait, didn't do your hair today?
Oh, my have more important things on my mind.
You having fun, Jess? You like going for rides? Not with storms, huh? Okay. Sorry, you got a brief cameo in here. I can help. Fucking night. Run from fucking storms. Son of a bitches, I go to work hungry because I can't make a fucking sandwich. I worry about my fucking house blowing over.
Oh, looks like it's lightening up some, but
No, it's just probably we're sitting on top of a volcano. Why not? Those poor fucking people in Oklahoma and Texas, man. I would have just said fuck it. I'd have left everything, just got the fuck out of that. That was some fucked up shit. I shouldn't even bitch. I'm just tired of running from this shit, man. I mean, I gotta be happy about it.
nothing for Allen County.
Huh? I know. How the fuck can there be nothing for Allen County? I can almost reach up and grab one of these fucking clouds, really? Nice job, weatherman. Sound the fucking siren after people are blown the fuck away. Idiots. Fucking stupid bastards. I went to put that hose reel in front of the door. I picked it up, the fucking handle broke. And I picked the other side broke. Fucking comedy of fucking errors. Next fucking woman I date or marry is gonna be a fat chick. You can just sit in front of the fucking door. I had to get a skinny one.
Barely.
Well, you got big tits. That's nice. In case, you know, we ever get flooded out, I mean, you're a human raft with those tits of yours. This camera's weird. It's like focusing on the raindrops, so the stuff in the background kind of looks weird. Jazz, stop panting, okay? You don't need to pant. Or is that you, Gemma?
Me panting in pain is all.
Mm-hmm. Well, because the insurance companies want it. Let's see, you fractured your back. We need to have a fucking sit down and just figure out if you really need an MRI. Fucking idiots.
Look at me wince in pain.
Yeah. Well, they don't give a fuck. They sit behind their desks and play God. Wait till it happens to them. I mean, I don't know how long this is going to last. Can you see how long it's going to last?